Hello, good morning dear students, and welcome to today's class. So we were discussing this chapter, that is motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Okay. So it is lecture number 14, I think. So lecture number 14. Okay. So motion in a plane, lecture number 14. Okay. So let's start this class. So in the last class we have seen this the cross product of two vectors. So the cross product hang tegeyodu adu ನೋಡಿ we last class. So in today's class we are going to see one of the most important problem, so that they can ask that kind of problem. Just write down the problem with me. Okay. A vector A, show that vector A and B are perpendicular to each other or parallel to each other. So first problem, they have given vector A. What is that vector A? Let me see, 6 I cap plus 9 j cap minus 12 k cap. Minus 6 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 12 k cap. Done. Okay, so this is the vector A, sorry, minus 12 k cap. Vector B is 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Vector B is 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Okay, so it is minus 12. 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Is it correct? Yes. So they are asking us to prove that, show that A and B, vector A and B are parallel. ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡು, ಏನು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. In the last class, in the previous classes, if you remember, I hope you remember. So if you remember, I have said this, when there are two vectors which are parallel to each other, at that time the cross product of those two vectors will be how much? 0. Remember? Okay, when they have given two vectors, other the cross product when two vectors are parallel, at that time cross product is 0. So what we have to do here, just take A and B, take its cross product, adu 0 bandre they are parallel, 0 bandilla andre they are not parallel. Okay, just take this. So A cross B, vector A cross vector B, hang tegibek, already I have said this. So what is this? I cap, j cap, k cap barirille first. Here it will be Ax, Ay, Az. Here it will be Bx, By, Bz. Done. Now write it. A cross B will be equal to I cap, j cap, k cap. Write down Ax. Ax is minus 6. Ay is 9 plus 9. Az is minus 12. Bx is 2 minus By is 3 minus 3. By is minus 3. Bz is plus 4. Okay. Now just write it. So first write down I cap into idu row idu column berri udikidella bariri. 9 minus 12 minus 3 4. Done. Minus j cap plus minus j cap. J cap idu row idu column bidri, j cap ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ರೋ ಅದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ರಿ ಇದು ರೋ ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 12 2 4 2 4. Done. Plus k cap ಬರೀರಿ, just write the k cap ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, do it, just don't watch the video ಹಂಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದರ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್, pause the video and start solving, verify your answer after my answer. Okay, ಸೊ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದು ರೋ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. -6 9 2 -3 2 -3 done. Okay, now let's come here. Is equal to I cap into ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, 9 × 4 36 -12 × -3 -12 × -3 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ, 36 minus into minus plus. So 36 minus -12 into -3 is to 36 plus 36 36 minus 36 plus minus j cap into nodri -6 into 4 24. So -24 it will be -24. Okay, by -6 into 4 -24. -12 into 2 again it is minus of -12 into 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ 24, that is -24. So just ಇದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. lot of people will get confusion and they will do some mistake here and they will get they won't get any answer, correct answer. Okay, now second one, k cap, third one, k cap. -6 into 3 is -6 into -3 is minus into minus plus 6 into 3 is 18. 9 into 2 18 again, so minus 18. Done. Now just see I cap 36 minus 36 0 minus j cap minus into minus plus, so this 24 minus 24 will be 0 again plus k cap into 18 minus 18 is again 0. So 1 into 0 j into 0 k into 0, so finally answer is 0. So A cross B vector A cross vector B is 0. So the cross product of these two vectors is 0. So therefore vector A and vector B are parallel. Understood this? Okay. So this is the way to calculate the cross product, and there is only one condition: cross product of two parallel vectors is 0. When the two vectors are parallel, at that time you have to use this property A cross B is equal to 0. They will give some question and you have to solve it. In case of dot product, now bardivalla, dot product and two perpendicular vector, for two perpendicular vector the dot product will be 0. Just remember these points, very important points. Okay, if you don't know I will write it here. Cross product of two parallel vectors is 0. Okay, next point, dot product, confuse ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು. Dot product of two, take down into your notes, perpendicular vectors is 0. Understood this? Okay, the cross product of two parallel vectors is 0 and dot product of two perpendicular vector is 0. Dot product and cross product both are different things, amma, don't get confusion in that. Okay. Okay, now let's take one more interesting problem. ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಕುಂತು, ಆರಾಮದಿರಲ್ಲ? ಫುಲ್ ಮಜಾ ಆತೀವಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಮಜಾ. ಬೇಸರ ಬರತ್ತೈದೇನು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಕುಂತು? So this question is, prove that A cross B whole square plus A dot B, A and B are vectors here, whole square is equal to A square B square, A square ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, solution. How to prove it? Just take this LHS side, A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square. Okay, A cross B whole square, A dot B whole square is equal to, and we know A cross B is nothing but, AB sin theta. ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಐತಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ A dot B is nothing but AB cos theta. A dot B is AB cos theta and its square. Now just take here AB sin theta whole square is nothing but A square B square sin square theta. Correct? N cap square andre it is nothing but n dot n, and we know n cap dot n cap is 1. Dot product of same vector is 1. Just go to the previous classes if you don't know. Okay, plus n cap into n cap, idu eshtayitu, idu 1 aitu, plus again here AB cos theta whole square is nothing but A square B square cos square theta. Howdallama? Yes, am I correct? Now just take it A square B square common tagiri. So I will take this A square B square common. So ille ಏನು ಉಳಿತು sin square theta. Okay, plus ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು cos square theta. So if you go to the trigonometry, then sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is the formula. Okay, so it will be equal to A square B square sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So finally answer will be A square into B square. So if you see, it is proved. Hence it is proved. So A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square is equal to A square B square. So this is the proof. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let's enter into the next problem. Let's take next problem. Find a vector perpendicular to the both the vectors. Okay, again this kind of problems also they can ask. Find a vector perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, so what is that vector? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. A is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Done. And vector B they have given as I cap minus j cap plus 2k. I cap minus j cap plus 2k. So this is the question they are asking us to calculate a vector which is perpendicular to vector A and B. Always remember, whenever they ask this kind of question, find a vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, at that time what you have to do, just take this A cross B, you will get some vector and that vector will be perpendicular to the both the vectors. Andre see, I have already said there is a vector A ಮತ್ತು vector B ಐತಿ. This will be vector A, this will be vector B. Okay, and we know the direction of A cross B will be like this. Okay, means if vector A and vector B are in this plane, vector A and vector B are in this plane, so the direction of A cross B will be perpendicular to this plane. So if it is perpendicular to this plane, then it will be perpendicular to vector A also and it will be perpendicular to vector B also. Understood this? Okay, so therefore whenever they ask this kind of question, find a vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors, at that time the A cross B, the vector A cross B will be perpendicular to these two vectors. So just take A cross B and we will get the answer. How to take A cross B? I have said this, the determinant form I cap, you have to take this I cap, J cap, K cap, okay, Ax, Ay, Az. What is Ax? Ax is 2, Ay is 3, Az is 1. Bx, By, Bz. Bx is how much? 1, By is minus 1, Bz is plus 2. Done. So now solve this determinant. How to solve this determinant? You know already. I cap into idu row, idu column bedri, udikidu bariri. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 3 1 minus 1 2 ಡನ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಂಟು ಏನು ಇದು ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 ಡನ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಂಟು just leave this k cap column and k cap row and k cap column. So ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 2 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 done. Now solve this determinant. Are you ready for this? Okay, I cap into, just solve this 2 cross 2 determinant. 3 into 2 is how much? 6 minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 done. Minus j cap into, just take it, 2 into 2 is how much? 4 minus 1 into 1 is 1 plus k cap into 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus of 3 into 1 is 3 done. So if you take this I cap 6 minus of minus 1, so it will be minus into minus plus, so 6 plus 1 is 7 I cap done. Minus 4 minus 1 is 3 3 minus 3 j cap plus minus 2 minus 3 is again minus 5 into k cap. So this vector is A cross B. Okay, so this vector 7 I cap minus 3 j cap plus minus 5 k cap, this vector will be perpendicular to this vector also, this vector also. So this kind of problems they can ask. So they will give some two vectors and they will ask us to calculate the vectors perpendicular to the both the vectors, and they have given like this. Just calculate A cross B and you will get some another vector here. So that vector will be perpendicular to this vector and this vector. Both the vectors adake perpendicular irutte. Okay. So this is the class today, and in the next class we are going to see some another concepts, and we will enter into the some new part of this chapter. So till that time study well, do well, please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel, and share with your friends, and take care, do well, good night, good afternoon. Okay, sleep well, do well, study well, eat well, dream well, do well, work hard, work smart. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಾಯ್, ಸಿ ಯು, ಟಾಟಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಸೂನ್.